I was a very good student. મને સ્કૂલમાં અમારા ફ્રેન્ડ્સ બધા રટ્ટુ તોતા કહેતા હતા.
What are you
So
saying?
I have this photographic memory of memorizing my lines. અને I read a script in English. એટલે હિન્દી scripts ઇંગ્લિશમાં લખેલી હોય, right? So એ scripts મને આમ દેખાય.
Hello. So somebody really special in the Radio City studio with me today, and that is tada Isha Kansara, જે બહુ મોંઘેરા મહેમાન છે અમદાવાદના. હવે બહુ ઓછું આવે છે અને કમ્પ્લીટલી મુંબઈવાસી થઈ ગયા છે. So Isha, let's start with your name. મને અત્યાર સુધી એમ હતું that your name is Esha Kansara because it spells like ESHA, and you just corrected me saying it's Isha. So what does it mean?
ઈશા ઇઝ મને નાનપણમાં પપ્પાએ સમજાવ્યું હતું કે ઈશાનો સંસ્કૃતનો અર્થ છે ઈશ્વર્યમ ભોગવવું, which means in English to do good things.
Right.
And as per Google also, I think it's
The same.
Isha, desiring to do good things. So that is the meaning of my name. પણ હવે મને ખબર પડી છે કે ઓ પાર્વતીનું પણ સ્વરૂપ છે ઈશા.
એટલે after the very famous dialogue of બ્રહ્માસ્ત્ર જેમાં આલિયા ભટ્ટનું નામ ઈશા છે, so now it is Parvati also. The meaning has added. Nice. So અમદાવાદમાં આવીને કેવું લાગે છે?
અમદાવાદ હું એકચ્યુઅલી ઘણા ટાઈમ પછી આવી, પણ અમદાવાદ ઇઝ હોમ. માય પેરેન્ટ્સ લિવ હિયર, વી હેવ અ હાઉસ હિયર, જ્યાં હું મોટી થઈ છું. સો અમદાવાદ ઇઝ ઓલવેઝ કમ્ફર્ટ ઝોન. જ્યારે મુંબઈની ભાગદોડમાંથી થોડો બહુ ટાઈમ મળી જાય તો એવું થાય કે ચાલ અમદાવાદ જવાનો ટાઈમ થોડો સ્ક્વીઝ આઉટ કરી લઉં. સો અમદાવાદ ઇઝ માય કમ્ફર્ટર.
Very nice. અચ્છા, let's talk about the serials that you're working currently in. હમણાં recently જિંદગી મેરે ઘર આના પૂરી થઈ છે અને મેડમ સરમાં you have entered. So how is that experience?
ડેલી સોપ્સ આર ઓલવેઝ ફન. એ લોકોનું એક પોતાની રીત હોય છે કામ કરવાની, એક અલગ adrenaline હોય છે કામ કરવાનું. You have deadlines every hour. So there's constant, like how you have to be on time for your show every day. You have to wake up at a certain time. So it's the same with us. Maybe we don't have to wake up at a certain time, but we have to finish the episode every hour. Otherwise channel nena delays, nena fines. So if we are lagging behind like one day or 2 days also, if an artist is on leave for like 3 days, so it's unbearable for the production.
Correct.
So they deliver episodes every day.
Yeah, too much of hard work this is.
As in there is no empathy, sympathy, kahi nahi. But you just need to be ready. Zindagi was an amazing platform for me. And the character was such that we had so many emotions to deliver. So એ અમુક વખતે ના આવી શકે. Under so much pressure, you are just like, you know, કે આ આટલી વારમાં કઈ રીતે થઈ શકે? Just give me some time to prepare. We get scripts like barely before an hour of the shoot, or the moment I enter the makeup room in the morning, then there will be like bunches of scripts, and they'll just be like, oh madam aapke aaj 10 scene hai. So maza aata hai, but luckily we have screenplays and we have good directors, good producers who understand what an artist goes through, especially in a daily soap where we barely have any time કે જ્યાં તમે કઈ preparation કરી શકો. મેકઅપ કરીને સીધું ભાગી જવાનું તમારે સેટ ઉપર. That's the only time you get to even learn your dialogues. So sometimes you get like a 3-pager dialogue, or constantly તમે સીનમાં બોલ કરો છો, and I'm like, you know,
Yeah, now I'm thinking the whole process કે પેલા લાંબા dialogues જે લોકો આવી રીતે prepare કરતા હોય તો I think hats off to you guys.
ના, હું luckily I was a very good student.
Nice.
પણ જો હું ખાલી ભણી હોત એટલું બધું તો આજે actor not, but all thanks to that you know, મને સ્કૂલમાં અમારા ફ્રેન્ડ્સ બધા રટ્ટુ તોતા કહેતા હતા.
What are you saying?
So I have this photographic memory of memorizing my lines. અને I read a script in English. એટલે હિન્દી scripts ઇંગ્લિશમાં લખેલી હોય, right? So એ scripts મને આમ દેખાય. હું તમારી સામે જોઉં છું, પણ if I have had a script right now, then I could have just, you know, મારી સામે એક
It's a talent, dude. This is amazing.
There's like a teleprompter going on with emotions also, and with crying also, and with laughing also, you know, like Raj, kash tum ye kar pate.
So you can actually see Raj, kash tum ye kar pate. સામે રાજનું મોઢું હોય પણ
But the flip side to, obviously I understand the whole scene. It's not like I do it without any emotion. I understand the whole scene. Cut to, when I got to Madam Sir, the whole script was in Devanagari.
Oh!
So મારું થોડું ત્યાં મેં કીધું ઓ નો યુ નો આ તો સિલેબસ ની બહાર છે.
Right.
But no, it's still fun, and I though that was a completely different genre, so
Right.
a pick up karta પણ થોડી વાર લાગે, and I'm done with my part, I think so. And so એ મોટા મોટા dialogues are not that big of a hassle, જેમ તમે constantly બોલી શકો છો.
Yeah.
I mean, and you can, it's not like you are saying any crap or anything, you are saying what is meant to be said on radio.
Correct.
So that's how we do it. That
But
we
you know, the
memorize
difficult
lines.
part for you guys, what I feel is that we write our own scripts. અને તમને કોઈની લખેલી
correct.
scripts મળે. So there here things are in
I
our
think
minds.
your part is much different.
Okay, so on that note, if I may ask you, કે જો actor ના હોત તો, because you just said that હું બહુ વધારે સારું ભણી હોત તો things would have been different.
No, I have never gone for a plan B. See, 8th, 9th, 10th standard સુધી તો બચ્ચું એકદમ aimless હોય. So was I. I didn't know. મને ખાલી એ ખબર હતી કે I don't want to take science. So that's all. મારે શું નથી કરવું એ મને ખબર છે, rather than what exactly I want to do.
You know, that is more important in life કે શું કરવું કરતા શું નથી કરવું એ ખબર હોવી.
એટલે મને ખબર છે કે મારે job નથી કરવી. So that part is gone. મને એ ખબર છે કે I want to lead someone or lead something or some agency or some production. So I'm more of a leader and I'm on my own and my own boss. So that's what I know. So પહેલેથી જ્યારે મને I think 10th કે 12th માં મને strike થયું હતું that you know, okay, મમ્મી એકતા કપૂરની સિરિયલો જોવે છે and she's a huge Balaji fan. So that's what I want to do. I want to just get into TV. I didn't know કે ad films પણ exist કરે or ગુજરાતી films પણ ત્યારે હજુ આપણે ખાલી જોઈ રહ્યા હતા, કેવી રીતે બને છે એ તો ખબર જ નથી. અને same goes with every platform that is today right now.
So you believe in law of attraction, whatever
a
you
lot
think
a lot happens. I think, and sometimes it's just very scary. Okay. Oh no, મેં સિદ્ધાર્થ વિશે વિચાર્યું હતું ને થઈ ગયું.
Right, yeah. So Siddharth is a new addition in your life, and how is that scene happening, or what is it?
It's just very new to the both of us and to both have our families. કે કોઈએ વિચાર્યું નતું, you know, like how sometimes I think after lockdown everyone has started surprising, કારણ કે life has given us a lot of surprises.
Right.
Where I used to believe that I'm good on my own, I am single, I'm happy, I just want to be career oriented, I just want to be this, that. હું એકલી જ છું. એ ફિલિંગમાં મને બહુ જ મજા આવતી હતી પહેલા, until obviously I found him. અને પેલું કહેવાય ને કે રાઈટ માણસ હોય ત્યારે તમને ઓલરેડી ખબર પડી જાય કે okay, this is it. And somehow when you meet that person, that all that just vanishes. And that happened. Even I was surprised with myself ke could I actually fall for this?
So do you also sing? Are you into music? Because I know that you're into dancing.
No, I can't.
You can't.
I shouldn't sing. That's harmful for people around me.
Okay, so he sings, he makes music, we play his amazing songs also. And you dance?
I do, yeah. So we are like completely opposites. I am socialite and I am a social person. Instagram, people, interviews, I love all of this. Because I'm an actor.
Right.
But since he's behind the camera and behind the, monitor. So he is very mellow, he's calm. Yes, when he is excited for something, then everyone knows.
Right.
But when he is working on something, nobody knows.
Amazing.
Whereas if I am working on something, then everyone knows. So we are completely opposites. એટલે એ મને કામ રાખવામાં કોશિશ કરે છે, whereas I take out the funnier side with him, and
nice. So
I
that
help
is like
him
a match made in heaven or made for each other kind of a thing. That's amazing. Many congratulations.
Thank you.
All right, so what is the plan now in career, in life?
I think જે મેં કીધું ને કે post lockdown everything has changed. All of a sudden the mentality has changed. કે જે લોકો પહેલા ખાલી career oriented હતા, now they are also moving towards making their own family.
Yeah.
Because everyone has understood that work is not everything. We've prioritized work so much, and working overtime, we've highlighted so much that it's good to work overtime. It's good not to take care of your health. And je hu karti thi. So now my plan is to settle down a little bit, have some vision, and then move forward. Quite a long time.
Elevate yourself from TV daily soaps to maybe web series or films.
I don't mind going back to anything if something is very exciting.
Right.
The platform wouldn't matter, but the depth of the project, the scale of the project would matter.
So you're not in a hurry right now.
No, I'm in no hurry actually. I've earned myself that much time. 11 years of hassling everywhere possible. Lockdown પછી તરત મેં ટીવી સીરીઝ પકડવાની ચાલુ કરી દીધી, ઓડિશન્સ આપવાના શરૂ કરી દીધા. Every day I was working without noticing where I'm heading to. So now I want to give myself that time, that I want to check, okay, this project is leading me somewhere. So I will go in that direction. If I feel that this is not going to make any difference in my career, because somehow for actresses, yes, it matters that you're aging faster than the men in the industry. Correct. So I'm not saying that I'm aging, but somewhere we all have that fear કે એક certain age પછી તમને certain kind of rules નહીં મળે. તો એ મારું સપનું હજી બાકી છે. So એ સપનું મારે પહેલા પૂરું કરી લેવું છે, પછી જોવું છે કે પાછું ક્યાં વધી રહી છે જિંદગી. અને પછી
So what do you miss about Ahmedabad the most when you were settling down in Mumbai?
બોમ્બે જઈને ઓલ ઓફ એટલા એક્ટિવ થઈ જાવ છો that you are not able to enjoy anything most of the times. Whereas અમદાવાદમાં એવું છે કે અત્યારે હું આ ઇન્ટરવ્યુ માટે આવી છું તો હું કાલ રાતથી હું વિચારી રહી હતી. So I had that time to think about everything. What am I going to wear? What am I going to do? So that happens only in Ahmedabad. So I miss Gujarati film na promotions. એ એક ભાગદોડ છે જે મને ગુજરાતની બહુ જ ગમે છે. જેમ કે પ્રેમ પ્રકરણના promotions કર્યા અમે લોકોએ 15-20 days, and that was a mad ride.
Right.
But at the same time, we get all the time to have fun also.
Correct.
So I miss about that in Gujarat. I miss my family also because now I don't get to see them as much as I used to. And what else?
Some food, some place.
Food તો મેં અત્યારે ત્યાગી દીધું છે. મેં અત્યારે પોતાની જાતને હું સમજાવી દીધું છે કે food is not good for you. No, I'm joking. But no, certain food is not good, so I might as well not think about it.
જી તો પછી મન થઈ જાય, and since you are here, પછી માણેક ચોક યાદ આવે અને પછી
progress.
She's constantly diverting herself towards progress, which is definitely going to happen. So we wish you all the best for that. And thank you so much for coming down to our studio, taking time for us. And મજા પડી બહુ વખતે મળીને.
I had fun too. અને ઘણા ટાઈમ પછી મેં આવો ઇન્ટરવ્યુ કર્યો actually પ્રેમ પ્રકરણ પછી 3-4 મહિના થઈ ગયા છે. This is fun. આ વસ્તુ છે જે અમદાવાદની મને અમુક વખતે મિસ થતી હોય છે, meeting you all. અને I remember that time જ્યારે constantly આપણે ગુજરાતી મૂવીના પ્રમોશન્સમાં જ મળી રહ્યા હતા. So that is one thing I miss, કે I miss my radio friends, I miss my industry friends, કે જે લોકોની જોડે બહુ જ બધા અમે લોકો gossip ગપ્પા ને
So then keep coming here really often, and we will have those long night પેલું jamming sessions where we used to meet.
Oh God.
અને એવું બધું we will keep on doing that.
Sure.
Yeah.
Thank you, Pooja.
Thank you so much, Isha. Radio City.